culinary expert, the way she defines food with taste and health, that's really remarkable. Watch out, girl. That's okay. So yes, and I'm sure that it has something more to offer here, and we can't wait for you, Niyati and Sagar. Can we have a big round of applause for the girl with all the efforts and all the tests? And now, the moment that we all have been, one of the moments that we all have been waiting for. So let's all together give a big welcome, a warm welcome to the man who is a true inspiration for Spooch. He's not just a versatile actor, a fitness icon who defies age at 62, but also a successful celebrity businessman and entrepreneur who is very clear about his likes and dislikes. His belief in Spooch from the very beginning has been instrumental. We deeply value his expertise and experience, which has been a guiding force to our founder's vision. Please, sir. Welcome, sir. Can we request all the members to kindly take their seats? Thank you. Thank you. Yeah. Yeah. So, sir, I hope that you have finally found your Spooch, the lost Spooch. I hope you finally found it. And can we get mic for sir, please?
Yeah, you said something?
Yeah, I said I hope you finally found your lost Spooch.
No, I've got a lot of friends from the media who are going to help me find it.
Okay, so I think we need to wait for that moment then.
Absolutely.
But sir, firstly, thank you so much for having us, all of us here for this celebrating this launch, and we are so excited that we are incorporating this new culture, a healthy culture towards our routine lives with a taste. So thank you so much, Mr. Shetty and the team.
Thank you.
And now finally is the time that we all have been waiting for. The Spooch reveal, the internet, the media, everyone wants to know what Spooch is. So shall we proceed towards Spooch? Sir, could you please take the stage there for the grand revealing of Spooch? Yes, please. Woohoo! Big round of applause, everyone! Finally, the most awaited unveil is here. Thank you so much, Mr. Shetty. Thank you so much, Neeraj and Kajal. Mr. Neeraj.
అన్న అయితే అన్నయ్య
The main brains behind
hold,
and the product developers. Thank you so much much for bringing this amazing beverage out to us.
अन्ना एक सोलो पाहिजे तुमचा हा बरं मतलब फ्लॅश बिंदा मेरा वीडियो टेंशन है मैं जूम कर लूंगा
अन्ना इथे आता
हाँ त्याचा मिल रहे ना
अन्ना इथे अन्ना एकदा
अन्ना समोर समोर अरे बाबा तुझा फ्लॅश आहे ना तिकडे बरं एक मिनिट
All right.
Thank you,
Please can you be seated so that we can move further with our event, ma'am? Could you please be seated? We can move further with our
I
event.
love you
Mr. Neeraj, are we having the teaser played right now? Are we ready with the teaser? Yes. So before that, sir, we had a contest. They have you, sir.
बैठो चलो यहाँ पे लाइट लाइट
Looks like he's come straight from the gym, no?
Yeah.
अरे ये वाला लाइट हाँ बस शाबाश चलो
Yeah, thank you so much, Alex. And we have a small hamper for his biggest fan.
मोबाइल
Thank you. Okay, are we ready with the teaser or? So all eyes on the screen, please.
In the room, Spooch, the new culture.
Thank you so much. All right. You'll get to see it again.
once more
More than my words, it's very important that everybody gets a taste of it. For me, it is genuinely a gut-friendly drink, and I honestly believe that health starts from the gut, and that's why you always say a gut feeling. जब आदमी नर्वस होता है कहीं जाता है तो यहीं बड़ गड़बड़ होता है और यहीं से हेल्थ की गड़बड़ भी शुरू होती है और इंसान ठीक भी होता है तो आई थिंक दिस इज वन ड्रिंक दैट इज गोइंग टू बी हेल्दी एंड यू कुड रिप्लेस विद इट विद अ लॉट ऑफ ड्रिंक्स तो बच्चों के लिए अच्छा है बुजुर्गों के लिए अच्छा है हमारे लिए बहुत अच्छा है यू नो इंस्टेड ऑफ हैविंग ऑल द अदर सो कॉल्ड एरेटेड ड्रिंक्स ऑफ कोर्स लोगों को बहुत सारी ड्रिंक्स पसंद है टू ईच इज ओन लेकिन ये एक हेल्दी ऑप्शन जो हम लेके आ रहे हैं उससे आई थिंक बहुत फ़र्क पड़ जाएगा बिकॉज एनीवेज वॉट एवर आई डू लुक इनटू आई मेक श्योर कि जब किसी चीज़ को हम बेचने की कोशिश करते हैं हम खुद भी उसे कंज्यूम करना ज़रूरी है और उसमें बिलीव करना ज़रूरी है तो इसीलिए आई थिंक स्पूच विल वर्क kombucha will work kombucha is known to work all over the world anyways.
All right, thank you so much, sir, for your wonderful words. But before we proceed with the Friends Conference, I have a few questions for you, and I'm sure they are really fun and very interactive. So the first question goes, if you could pair Spooch with any food, what would be your top pick?
With breakfast, lunch and dinner.
Very good answer. So that's really healthy that you can have it anytime and
Absolutely. I mean, you know, बहुत लोगों को आदत है कि खाने के साथ कुछ ड्रिंक चाहिए.
हाँ.
And if one had to take a drink, I would definitely opt for Spooch. Not because I'm a part of it, because it's healthy.
All right, thank you so much. So the next question that goes, that's my favorite question, if Shyam from Hera Ferry had to convince Babu Rao to try Spooch, what would he say to him?
Later, Baba.
All right. If you could drink only one flavor of Spooch throughout your life, which flavor would it be?
I wouldn't have made sure that Neeraj and the entire team make 6 flavors and we're looking for more. Why would I drink one? So I'd definitely go in for all 6 because I really like it. There's tulsi, lemon, curry. There's so much, and it's tasty.
Oh, absolutely.
And healthy.
I'm sure. And the last question, if you could create a special edition flavor of Spooch inspired by one of your movies, what would it be called and what would it taste like?
Border.
Wow.
And it would taste good because Spooch crosses all borders. It's a drink for anybody anywhere in the world. So I'd call it border.
Wonderful. A big round of applause for Sir. Well, lovely answers. And now I would like to call upon the brains, as I say, the founders, Mr. and Mrs. Manik here. And I have just two questions for both of you. Can we get the mics for them, please? All right. So one of the question is, what's the most unusual ingredient that you've experimented with in your brewing process?
Well, I think Niyati would agree to this. Gord Keri is one of the flavors that we've given ode to Gujarat. That's a flavor I don't think we've seen anywhere anybody using it in a beverage. It's always been a pickle that's been consumed by, you know, Gujaratis and everybody around the world. But we've tried to utilize that in a beverage, which is the kombucha that we've made. And yes, Niyati has created a amazingly tasty flavor. Niyati, would you like to say something about Gord Keri? I mean, for me, that was tricky. I remember we discussing about that, and it's turned out amazing, guys. Everybody, please, we have a smooch bar right after the session. Everybody try the flavors, whatever you like, and, you know, just grab a bottle and let us know how you feel about it. Niyati, to you.
I just think somewhere, me being half from South India and then I'm half Gujarati, you know, I've grown up eating chunda and Gord Keri with my theplas at home, and it would be wrong for me to not maybe see how I can explore the flavor more and bring it in almost a drink format. So I think that was my childhood, was sort of my inspiration behind Gord Keri.
Thank you. Can't agree more, because I'm a Gujarati myself and Gord Keri is my favorite too, with theplas, of course.
The board has the Keri also. Keri, they're two who tango together, and two of them who've really worked hard on the ingredients. So I think all the four youngsters that are there here, they've done a phenomenal job, and I wish you the very best.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. Okay, I have a question for you.
Oh, there's another very interesting fact that, of course, I knew all along, but I think Niyati discussed that today, and she mentioned it to me. There's this one particular flavor called the Naga pepper, and that's a very beautiful flavor. That is one of Ahan's and Tia's most favorite drink. Why is the Naga pepper so difficult to get? I think that's something that is very, very interesting when it comes to the non-availability. If sometimes it's not available, the drink might not just be available for 6 months. And there's a reason behind it. What's that reason?
So the thing with Naga pepper is, it's one of the rarest ingredients, not just in India but in the world. The only reason for its rarity is because it's actually found in the forests of Nagaland. So even if you try to, you can't grow it, you can only forage for it. And the tribal people, they know exactly where to really find this, and they go ahead and they get the Naga pepper. So as Sir rightly put, sometimes you might not even get it in season. So it's
like
very
truffle.
rare. Yeah, it's like truffle.
Thank you so much for wonderful insights. I have a question for you, Neeraj. Can you share a funny or unexpected story that happened during the creation of Spooch?
It's a long journey, guys. First of all, thank you everyone for coming here. We really appreciate the monsoon, the traffic, the trains, and everything has been haywire today. We appreciate all of your presence today. Coming to your question, Saloni, yes, there have been many instances we have experienced during this process of 8 to 9 months where we have created or reached till here. One thing specifically which I would relate to from the generation today, when I discussed about kombucha with my kids, and we always say, like Sir mentioned, that it is not bar of any borders or age, because this drink do cater guilt-free from toddlers to grandparents. And one thing which we were amazed, and it was funny kind of, because I didn't know kombucha a few months, or I would say a couple of years back. When I spoke to my daughters, I have 2 little daughters, and when I spoke to them, I was, to my surprise, they knew what kombucha is and how good it is for the health. So Kajal and I were like, to my surprise, that today's generation, knows where the healthy things are available, and at least they are educated. So that was something which was funny, which was to our notice.
That was funny, but it was very good that the youth, the future generation is getting more aware, especially for the healthier beverages. So thank you so much for the wonderful insights. And now I'd request please Niyati and all kindly take your seats. Moving further with the press conference, audience, now it's your turn to ask the questions. Feel free to ask any questions regarding the brand, the product, Spooch. Sir, may I have you and Mr. Neeraj seated? Over to you, audience. Okay. Mr. Neeraj, please may have a seat. And Niyati would also like you to have a seat and help answer the questions.
This we will insert. Perfect. Sounds good. That's take one table over.
Yeah. All right. So it's time for the press conference, and once again I request all of you, no personal questions, only brand-related questions. Over to you guys.
No questions, let them taste it. Acha, you got a question.
Sir, I would like to ask, what was your introduction to kombucha? How did you?
I think I tried it first in the US of A, and because I was looking for a drink other than lemonade, and a friend of mine offered it to me, and I really liked it, and I felt it made a big difference to the way I felt after food or after I consumed it. And then it was when Sagar came to me with Niyati, I think it was Sagar Mosso with a friend of mine, Ramesh ji, who was also here, and said, you know, these kids have come up with something brilliant and you need to look at it. And when I heard the name kombucha, I said, this is worth a try. And then I think I tried the Naga pepper for the first time. And that's when I said, you know, this is something that will make a big difference to children, because मीठे की जो हमारी आदत है कभी जाती नहीं है, ड्रिंक के हिसाब से हो या dessert के हिसाब से. So I think this makes for a beautiful companion with food or otherwise.
Questions?
आज से ब्रांड के साथ जुड़ते आपने बताया कि ये मैं खुद इसका यूज़ करता हूँ और मेरी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी बढ़ जाती है. जब भी मैं कोई ब्रांड को सपोर्ट करूँ तो उसकी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी बढ़ती है कि मैं खुद उसका यूज़ करूँ. ये अपने आप में बहुत ही बड़ी बात होती है. आप यहाँ पर प्रेजेंट है, सपोर्ट कर रहे हैं.
ऑफ कोर्स, और हूँ, और इसलिए हूँ क्योंकि वाकई में एक हेल्दी ड्रिंक है. और यू नो आजकल बहुत सारे एरेटेड ड्रिंक्स चल रहे हैं, तो ये एरेटेड ये एक टेस्टी हेल्दी ड्रिंक है. ऑल नेचुरल इंग्रेडिएंट्स, ज़ीरो I'd say rather 100% from a health perspective और gut के perspective से मैं खुद कंज्यूम करता हूँ. और इसलिए रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी बनती है क्योंकि ये सिर्फ एप्लीकेशन नहीं है, ये कंज्यूम करने की चीज़ है. एंड दैट इज़ व्हाई आई एम so sure about being a part of this brand and mentoring the brand.
सर थोड़ा सा और क्या कुछ ऐड करना चाहेंगे? अन्ना जी आज हमारे साथ में हैं, कितना ब्लेस्ड मोमेंट जो आपके लिए है.
We are blessed to have him, to be honest, with us. But as he rightly said, the most important part about this drink is there is zero preservatives. I mean, आज नारियल पानी या नींबू पानी को भी अगर बॉटल में डालते हैं, we have to put preservatives. We are not using any preservatives. Even the ingredients and the flavors which we are having, there is nothing artificial. We used as Chef Niyati, who is our lead curator, and she is the brain behind the flavors. When she said about the ingredients, we really mean by every ingredients are real, raw, farm fresh, farm produced. So that's make this more interesting. more consumable. And as sir is associated, we are more than happy and proud of this moment that we are getting this platform reaching out to everyone for the coming generation. And that's when we all are proud to have this drink for everyone in the market in America.
अन्ना जी, क्योंकि आप इसके ब्रांड एम्बेसडर हैं, तो आप चाहेंगे कि और ढेरों सारे लोग आए, इससे एसोसिएट हो, जुड़े
I
रहें।
think, of course, from a consumer perspective, yes, बहुत सारे लोग ट्राई करें और एरेटेड ड्रिंक्स से रिप्लेस करें इसको, कंजम्पशन में खास करके आप खुद ट्राई करेंगे, आप फ्लेवर्स ट्राई करेंगे, देसी फ्लेवर्स है, देसी प्रोडक्ट है। जो सबसे बड़ी बात यही होती है हमेशा कि कुछ भी देसी अगर कोई नए बच्चे लाने की कोशिश करते हैं और मैं जुड़ सकता हूँ उसके साथ, तो बहुत ही बढ़िया।
मैडम, वुड यू लाइक टू ऐड समथिंग, एंड कितने फ्लेवर्स हमें दिखाई देंगे?
आप वी आर लॉन्चिंग 6 फ्लेवर्स राइट नाउ. हम 6 we're giving ode to 6 different states of India, from Gujarat, Odisha, Nagaland. 6 flavors, 6 unique हम बोलेंगे उस स्टेट की एक स्पेशलिटी को हमने एक बॉटल में क्यूरेट करना, वी हैव ट्राइड टू क्रिएट दैट. सो लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड, आप लोग सब ट्राई कीजिए और हमें बताइए कैसा है.
योर फेवरेट फ्लेवर जो आपने टेस्ट किया हो और आपको?
नागा पेपर, गोल कैरी, तुलसी लेमन, सारे फ्लेवर्स बहुत अच्छे हैं, लेकिन दीज आर सम ऑफ माय फेवरेट्स. थैंक यू.
जिम करने वालों के लिए बताएंगे, सजेस्ट करेंगे किस तरह का ड्रिंक है?
एब्सोल्युटली. जिम करने वालों के लिए नहीं, जो भी हेल्दी लाइफस्टाइल चाहता है, जो भी चाहता है कि अपना गट हेल्थ हेल्दी रखे, तो वो देखिए आज हम सौंफ और इसका और उसका पानी पीते ही है क्योंकि वो नेचुरली हेल्दी है, और ये ऐसे ड्रिंक है जो नेचुरली हेल्दी है. और आप कहीं भी जाएँ तो कभी कभी फोर्सफुली अपने को, मैं फंस जाता हूँ कहीं भी जाता हूँ क्योंकि दारू पीता नहीं, पानी के अलावा फिर कुछ मिलता नहीं है तो नींबू पानी पी लेता हूँ. लेकिन आज अगर ऐसे ड्रिंक मुझे मिल जाए किसी भी रेस्टोरेंट में या किसी पार्टी में जाऊँ तो मैं ज़रूर पहले इसी के लिए मांगूंगा क्योंकि ये डबल वैमी है, टेस्टी भी है और हेल्दी भी. शुक्रिया, थैंक यू.
अन्ना थांबा. अन्ना सेंटर में ये लाओस बाजू रे, ये लाओस तो बाजू. अरे हमको जाने दो. अन्ना थांबा. बॉम्बे टाइपला बोलतो एक्सक्लुझिव्ह पाहिजे. आता पियाला सांगू नको. पिणार रात्री पिणार आहेस तू. सकाळी दुपार आम्ही रात्री जात पितो 7 नंतर. आम्ही सगळे या संध्याकाळी बोलू. प्रशांत बोलत नाही, प्रशांतची पार्टी आहे. लाईन लाव सगळे लाईन लाव. थांबा, तुम्ही थँक्यू.